Recently, I've been playing the Baldur's Gate series Enhanced Edition, and I created a few customized portraits by using Midjourney to create these characters that I want. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your own Baldur's Gate portraits after you have created your own portraits with Midjourney. So let's use a prompt that I already created previously with several of these characters. And let's go ahead and try something like, now these look very similar to the ones that you see in the game series. So let's try this prompt here. Baldur's Gate portrait, female halfling, thief holding a dagger, photorealistic airbrush. Let's see what happens. And on here we're going to try imagine. And I'm going to add the dimensions AR 9:16, and that's going to guarantee that the result is going to be a portrait just like this one I made previously earlier. Well, it looks pretty good. It looks just like the ones I made earlier a few days ago. And from here, pick the one that you like, and in my case, I really like this one right here. So let's go ahead and enhance this using this one. And there you go. There's one right there. Go back to the main Midjourney profile, refresh this and see if there's anything different. Yes, there it is. And click on it, save. And we're going to save it right here. The next step is to open up a photo editing tool like Microsoft Paint or something like that. And you're going to open this up, and this is the image that I had used for my own Baldur's Gate character. You go to image, resize, and you check the size, which is 210 by 330 pixels. And that's the dimension that you're going to use for your new portrait. So I'm going to open up a new file here. Open, I'm going to go under portraits and find this file here. And it's going to be a pretty big file. Go to resize, pixels, and change it to 210 by 330. Oh, and don't forget to uncheck the box here, maintain aspect ratio, uncheck that. It's not going to be perfect size, but this will do for the game itself. So go ahead and save as a bitmap file. And I'm just going to call it. In Baldur's Gate, there's a maximum number of 8 characters, so what I'll do is I'll name this character as a halfling, female, thief, and we'll put L for large. And I'll add number 1 as version 1. And you can name it however you want, and there's no right or wrong way to do it, as long as you keep it 8 characters or under. Bitmap file, yep. I'm going to save it. Okay, so let's play the game. So that's how you export a picture from Midjourney to Baldur's Gate. And you can do this to all Baldur's Gate games. If you have any questions, feel free to drop by a comment and I'll do my best to answer them. Enjoy the game.